Stay alert and ready. Understanding, keep on your toes. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard, keep on your toes. It's a colorful expression that captures a lot of meaning in just a few words. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these phrases can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and unpack what this phrase means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. When someone tells you to keep on your toes, they're not literally asking you to stand on the tips of your toes. This phrase is actually a metaphor that means to stay alert, ready, and prepared for whatever might happen next. It comes from the idea of athletes staying on the balls of their feet during a game so they can move quickly and respond to changes. In everyday language, it suggests being fully engaged and ready to act in any situation, whether expected or surprising. Understanding where phrases come from can help us grasp their meaning even better. The expression, keep on your toes, likely originated from sports or dancing, where staying on your toes literally means being in a position to move swiftly and efficiently. Over time, this physical position became a metaphor for mental readiness and agility. It emphasizes the need for constant vigilance and preparedness, qualities that are valuable in many areas of life, not just physical activities. Now that we know what it means, let's see how to incorporate keep on your toes into your conversations. Here are a few examples. In the workplace, the world of tech is always changing, so we need to keep on our toes to stay ahead. In personal development, life is full of surprises, so it's good to keep on your toes and be ready for anything. In sports commentary, this team needs to keep on their toes if they want to win against their rivals. Using this phrase can add a dynamic and engaging element to your language, showing that you're not just reacting to the world around you, but actively engaging with it. And there you have it. Keep on your toes is all about staying alert, ready, and prepared for whatever life throws your way. It's a wonderful reminder that in order to succeed, we must always be engaged and ready to adapt to new challenges. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of this expression for you. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every phrase you master takes you one step closer to fluency. Keep on your toes, and you'll find that English becomes more accessible and fun to use. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.